currently standing in the middle of the future Coles store, which is due to open mid-next year. You would have seen in our last update that the precast panels for the Coles building were just going up. So they're all in now. The structural steel's on, which means our next steps are to get the roof in and the in-ground services in.
The Riverlea Palms Village Shopping Centre is the next big piece of the jigsaw puzzle. On site currently there is a lot of action in terms of underground services and infrastructure for the overall shopping centre, and it's very exciting to get to this point after a number of years of putting it together.
So around the site, we're all on program with Building Free, our fresh food precinct, currently having its slab poured today. Further to that, we'll have our service retail slab poured next week. So you're going to see a lot of concrete trucks coming in and out of Riverlea in the next couple of weeks. And then further to that, it'll be craned back in the air with more structural steel and precast.